everyone, on this video I'm going to show you 7 things that I wish to know sooner on the game, on Palworld, or before playing the game that would have saved me so much time on the game, okay? Well, the first thing is about the pals itself. The beginners just started playing the game and they try to run to the big ones, the bosses and etc. Just don't focus on the big ones, okay? That's the first tip. Don't focus on the big ones. Don't try to look for the bigger levels, the bigger everything. No, focus on the simple ones, the small ones, and keep catching, because if you do this you will level up quickly. I'm on a level 38 right now, and most part of the game I spend capturing and catching small ones like that brown carry. Small ones, I don't mean the size of the of the pal, of course. I mean the number of the level, okay? So brown carry, fox sparks, lamb pal, that two couples right there, lift monk. So our socks, a very good one. So keep trying to look for the small ones, the low level ones, okay? Don't try to go to the bosses already, because you need to level up to unlock the technologies, okay? There's all technologies here. So to do this you just have to catch pals. But you catch the small ones, okay? It's quickly, it's easier, and don't focus on the big ones. You won't get the big ones already, okay? Another thing is related to your base. Let me just land here. When you are building something inside your base, like your base itself, the walls, or anything like that, this chest here, this waterfall, I don't know, anything. You need resources. You need wood, you need metal, you need stones, you need everything, of course. So, for instance, if I want to build this castle, this wall, I need stones, right? So, what do you usually do? You just go to inventory and you try to look for stones. Oh, I don't have stones, so how I'm going to build that wall? Oh, I'm going to my chest here. I'm going to collect some stones, and oh my god, I'm stuck because I have so much weight. What I do if I have so much weight, so much things to carry, how can I transport so many things from my inventory to build this wall right here? The answer is very simple. Don't bring anything. It's that simple. If you put the chest, the so many chests you have on the game, like this one, inside your base, it's in your inventory, okay? It's not necessary you bring each and every piece of resources to build anything here, okay? Your base is your inventory already, okay? So if you want to build that wall right there, simple, just press B, go to the wall sessions like this one, you choose and you build. But I don't have the stones, just 3 stones on my inventory. It doesn't matter, because right there on that chest you have, okay? It's in your inventory because it's inside your base. You don't have to carry around everything, okay? If once the thing you need it's inside your base, it's already in your inventory, okay? The third tip is related again to the pals. Like I said on the first tip, I said catch the small ones, okay? And not just that, you just have to collect 10 of each type of pals. If you collect 10 pals of the same type, you will level up quickly already, okay? So like that brown carry right there, collect 10 of that brown carry, collect 10 socks, you catch 10 of each small pals, the big ones as well, but you need to focus on the small ones, okay? If you catch 10 of each pals, you will level up quickly even more, okay? So don't just bring don't catch just one brown carry or 5 or 4, or lift monk you just kept another 3. No, focus on 10 of these, 10 of that, 10, okay? Another thing is related to your PAL spheres. Okay, you have 6 types of spheres to unlock along the game. Okay, I have unlocked already so far 5 of them. We have the blue one, the green one, the yellow one, the red one, and the purple one. Okay, I don't have the last one, sorry. But what matters here is what I thought on the beginning was, well, the more bigger the sphere, the more better it is. I can catch the big ones. It's not like that, okay? The purple, the blue one, sorry, the blue one is the simple ones, the low level one. It doesn't mean you won't be able to catch a big one, not big level. I mean big size PAL, okay? Like the Broncaria I showed you a couple of minutes before. It's a big one in terms of size, okay? You can catch it with the blue one, okay? The size of the PAL has nothing to do with the type of sphere you are using, okay? What really matters about the spheres is the level of your PAL, okay? So if the level of the PAL is let's say 40, you won't be able to catch with the blue one, the green one, the yellow one, okay? Only with the most powerful one, okay? What matters, you have to focus on the level of the PAL, not the size of the PAL, okay? So you can catch a big one PAL, but level 8 with the blue one. That's what really matters about the spheres. Because when I began, I thought, okay, so I just see a big PAL, like, I don't know, like that beacon right there. It's a level 30, but let's suppose that's level 5. But it's really big, as you can see. When I began, I thought that, okay, I want to be able to catch this little guy here, this big guy here, because the Spite is level 5. It's level 30, of course, but let's suppose that is 5. The Spite is level 5. I cannot catch him because I have only the blue one. No, it's not this way, okay? It's not this way. You try to, of course, unlock all the spheres, and you have to focus on the number of the level of the PAL's level, okay? The number of the level, okay? What level your PAL is. Like Lamp PAL 17, I can catch it with any spheres, but that Broncaria 28, I cannot catch him with blue, green, just yellow. You can have some luck to catch with the green one, but the chances is very few. Okay, so focus on the level of the PAL and you choose the correctly sphere. Okay, it's not about the size of the PAL. Okay, well, another thing that really bored me, really got me, is about the construction of your base. Okay. Once you put your PAL box, that thing right there, your PAL box, it will have a range, a blue range, a blue line range, okay, like that line. You can see the blue range. You get this size, okay, of base. What I thought on when I built this was, okay, my PALs are going to work inside this blue range, and this is fine. But I can build I can build my castle far away from this blue thing. That's what I thought, and I was wrong, okay? Because my castle, my entire base was until here, okay? Was right from that. Oh my god, I'm dead. Sorry. My base started from that wall right there until here on the beginning, okay? And why is not as here anymore? Because I found out a really sad thing on the game. I don't like it, but that's the game. That's how it's work, okay? So you can save so much time on this game by not doing this, okay? I did my base until here, and I just spent so many hours. I think I spent 10 hours building the entire my entire base from that wall right there until here, and was just a waste of time, okay? Because what I realized is that you cannot build things besides this blue range. if you put anything beside this blue range, it's gonna be destroyed automatically. Okay, it's going to be destroyed, not by you, not by any pals. It's gonna be destroyed by the air. Okay, with the time. Okay, so don't build things besides far away from the on your blue range. Okay, just build things inside the blue range. Okay, because again my base was until here, and I just woke up in the morning, literally from the night to the day. I just woke up and it was entirely destroyed. That is not cool from the game, but that's the way it works. Okay, so just build things inside this blue range. Okay, so the tip number 6, it's again about your base. Where to build your base? You have a big map. I have not yet unlocked all the places, all the regions, and all the zones on the map. So you start the game right on here, on the beginning, this part. Okay, you can, of course, you can find so many places to build your base. There are so many flat places where you can build. Okay, but my tip is try to look for a higher place. Okay, like this one, and surrounded by stones, or surrounded by sea, or surrounded by anything that does allow some invasion, because you have now and then some invasion, some group of hunters, some group of pals will try to attack you on your base. So if you build your base on a higher level, like in a mountain, a higher peak, I don't know, and you are surrounded by stones, surrounded by a waterfall, surrounded by anything that doesn't allow someone invades your base, that is your game. Okay, so try to look for it on the map to some place that is very high, some mountain, some peak, some hill, I don't know, and most importantly, surrounded by anything, surrounded by mountains, I don't know, because if I have an invasion on my base right now, I just can have this invasion from this part. Okay, not from this part, because it's impossible, because it's a very big, very high place. Okay, it's impossible. Of course, if you have a flying pal, it's coming from that direction and it will attack you, but I'm talking about hunters. Okay, most of the part. Okay, so like that are socks right there. It cannot invade my base, it cannot attack me there, because of course you have to build your wall, of course, but that's the most important thing. Try to build your base on a higher level, surrounded by things. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you, it's about your furniture. Okay, it's another problem of the game. I don't know what this happened, but that's the way it is, so I'm going to try to save this problem from you. Okay, like this closet. Okay, this book closet. Okay, to build this, you need to first don't have a ceiling. Yeah, that's it. Like if you build your base and you want to put this closet right here like I did, you won't be able to. Trust me, you won't be able to, because once you put here, the game will tell you, oh, there's something trying to go through it. There's something wrong with your position. There's something wrong, I don't know, some red alert warning. Okay, so but how can I put this how can I was able to put this closet here? So if you want to put something inside your base, to decoration, anything, and the game it's not allowing you because it's showing some red alert, some red, I don't know, and say, oh, something is hitting this thing, you cannot put here, some, I don't know. Just do this. You have to destroy your ceiling, this ceiling right here, then you build your closet, then you put the ceiling again, and you'll be fine. Trust me. I did this with so many things on my base. Like here on the bathroom, it's very dark, but I think you'll be able to see. Like this sink, this closet with the sink and the mirror. Okay, it ends right here, and my ceiling starts here, right? So the math tells me that it's okay to put here. We have space, but trust me, when I tried to put this, I was not able to. because it was keeping the game kept saying me, oh, you cannot put here because something is going through it, something, I don't know, blah 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 blah. So what I had to do was I had to destroy my ceiling, build this, and then put the ceiling again. So that's my tip, my last tip on the game. If you want to build anything and the game is not allowing you to build, but you clearly see that, oh, it's right on the right size, why can I put this? Oh my god, I don't know how to put this, but the size is okay, I can see that the size is okay, but the game is not allowing me to put what I do. Well, you destroy your ceiling. So if you want to build anything inside your base, any furniture, any decoration, anything like that bar, like that closet, that anything, okay, and the game is not allowing you, just destroy the ceiling, put the ceiling again. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learn about this a little bit more, about this baby game. Let's say that this is fantastic game that is Palworld. So if you want that I bring some other tips, some other things about, some tutorials about this game, you can just comment down below, and please give your thumbs up and please subscribe, because this channel is just starting. Okay, so thank you so much. Again, I see you on the next video.